Hey guys, today I'm teaching you whether Google Search Console is still a must-have tool for SEO in 2025 or just another dashboard collecting dust. Google Search Console is still essential for anyone serious about SEO because it gives real-time data on keyword rankings, impressions, click-through rates, mobile usability, crawl errors, and index status, all directly from Google. So you can fix issues fast, submit sitemaps, monitor core web vitals, and optimize pages with actual performance feedback. And even though third-party tools like RFs or SEMrush offer deeper competitive insights, nothing beats GSC for raw data straight from the source, which makes it a free powerful foundation every website owner, marketer, and developer should be using daily. That's the full review. Optimize smarter, rank higher, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more SEO tools that actually matter.